I'm here at Friday Hostel, right near the train station. It's like 2 minutes walking distance away. It's really central. The market is roughly a 5 minutes walking distance, and most of the landmarks and famous attractions is only about 10 to 15 minutes by feet. So what else do I like about this hostel? Well, first of all, it's really clean. As you can see in the lounge area, this is where people hang out and watch a movie on the projector. They got the balconies and great amenities. So let's go and check it out. For those of you who's homesick, don't worry, you can cook your own food here. They have all the necessary pots, pans, and other utensils you need. Another great thing about this hostel is hot water 24 hours a day in the shower, and the shower is spotless clean. Towel is included in the price of your room. This is a 4-bed dorm, but they also offer 5 beds and 6 beds. And every single dorm has a lovely window, air conditioning, and heat. Linens is included. Every single bed has a breathing lamp and a personal outlet to plug in your accessories, and as well as a personal locker. So for those of you who wonder what room I stay in, this is a room. It's a private room with a queen-size bed, suitable for 2 people. There is a window right above my bed, which is really nice. There's AC and heat. Now, one thing I like the most is there's multiple outlets and multiple reading lamps, so I can plug in my computer anywhere. There's a personal sink and a closet. So I feel really comfortable here. I really enjoy it. So I hope you come here, stay, and write your own reviews.